welcome back to Sincerely Ravines with my homegirl Javi. You want to get on camera? This is my nail tech Javi, y'all. She gives me all my great nail designs, and that's her homegirl Kristen over there. I don't know if she want to be on camera, but yeah, I'm gonna film today, and I think I might make a reel or a TikTok or something. So we'll let y'all watch. Y'all should hook me up with my mouse.
Really?
And we're gonna watch a little bit of TV. Yeah. How you doing?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
Y'all, I don't know why I'm so zoomed in, but hey guys, I'm back. Just finished getting my nails done. I tried to show y'all when I was inside what my nails were looking like, but here they are. Do y'all know that guy Marcus FN Prime on Instagram? He does these like cartoon characters. Sometimes they're a little explicit, little cartoon animations, but they're pretty cool, pretty funny. So I had her, you know, pay some homage to him. I had her honor him today on my nails. I really love his page. He's really funny and he has really cool art. So these are some of the designs. It was a mix of these other designs that I had seen on this other nail lady's page and the design I wanted. So that's what we ended up with. Just made it to the Post Market.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang.
Honestly, we're at Vintage Park. Somewhere. It's cute out here. Of the outside of it. Potter's wheel.
Dry, you just want to take some more water and put it on it, because as it dries out, it gets grabby, and then you might pull off some clay and chunks, and then you'll have a much smaller spine to the side. We need to be on the right side. We're going to go right across the middle of our clay mound, and we're going to press down and get that top to flatten out some. If you start getting this little overhang right here, go ahead and take a sponge, and you're going to use your
guys, welcome back to Sincerely Ramis. Today I have my beautiful godchild Aria. Say hi, Aria. So she just got done eating. I just picked her up from her babysitter and stuff, and we're about to do her hair. So it's her picture day tomorrow, right? And how do you want your hair?
Straighten.
You want your hair straightened for the first time? Are you excited?
Yep.
All right. Are you excited to let Godmommy do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Come on, give me a high five. Let's go. Peace. All right, guys. So I'll take y'all along the process.
You're trying to be in the photo.
I'm gonna show y'all everything we do. I'm about to put her up. I just cleaned the sink and everything like that in the kitchen. I'm about, about to do the kitchen hairdo. So I'm not gonna show y'all me washing her hair and doing all of that nonsense. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm about to wash her hair and get her prepped and ready to get blow dried out. So yeah.
Straighten.
You ready? Aria, tell them, say, let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right, so this is our setup. She's gonna lay on top of the counter into the sink. The sink is right here,
What's
y'all.
that?
And
Oh,
yeah, she's gonna get her hair washed right here. It's already been washed, cleaned, sanitized, all that. Let's go. Shampooed and conditioned her hair. It is all clean, and when I rinsed out, when I did the conditioner, I put it in her hair, I sectioned her hair however I could and just combed it out and detangled it and all that while the conditioner was in it, and braided it. Once I braided it, I just kept it braided, set her in the sink and rinsed her hair out like that so it stays in its sections. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow it out section by section. Guys, we're back, and here is my baby all washed and blow dried. Now we're about to get into the flat ironing process. So this is the flat iron I have. It's a Hot Tools. It says Hot Shot Tools, and I got it on 350. I'm gonna use these 3 combs and a brush, and let's get it lit.